Best deals.
1. Eggs Poacher. Made with a durable stainless steel exterior, our egg boiler ensures longevity and easy maintenance. Its transparent lid allows you to monitor your eggs during the cooking process, ensuring perfect results every time with automatic turn-off. Accessories include a poaching tray for versatile cooking options. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Crepe Maker. Features automatic thermostat control for precise heat regulation and consistent cooking results. Ergonomic long handle for easy maneuvering, non-stick surface ensures even heat distribution and effortless food release without added oils. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Brewer. Get perfectly brewed Kadak chai in 8 to 10 minutes with zero supervision. This automatic chai maker lets you start your brew and walk away, tend to kids, pack lunches, or get ready while your chai brews itself. No more burnt milk, no boil overs, just consistent results every single time. This chai maker needs just 30 seconds of your time. Add ingredients, press button, walk away. Those saved minutes mean actually finishing your chai while it's hot, one more bedtime story, or simply breathing before the chaos begins. Small daily time savings that add up to something life-changing. Switch between chai mode for your morning tea, boil mode for hot milk or water, coffee mode for your afternoon pick-me-up, and cold froth for iced lattes. The 600 megaliters carafe handles all your family's hot beverage needs while taking up minimal counter space, perfect for busy moms who value efficiency and organization. The smart auto shut-off kicks in right when your chai reaches peak flavor, preventing overboiling and messy cleanups. Set it, forget it, and return to perfectly brewed chai, no accidents, no stress. The heat-resistant borosilicate glass carafe features a protective lid, cool touch handle, and precision spout for easy pouring. While the carafe holds 600 megaliters for versatility across all modes, the 400 megaliters chai setting ensures mess-free brewing. Lightweight and portable, take it to hotels, offices, or overseas. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Citrus Juicer. Enjoy fresh juice every morning. The 180W copper motor uses less energy and is quieter, perfect for busy moms. Juice maker comes with cones for oranges, lemons, and pomegranates, making it easy to switch between fruits and ensure every juice is packed with nutrients. Simply plug in, press down the ergonomic handle, and enjoy a full glass of juice in less than 3 minutes. Busy moms will love the dishwasher-safe parts for quick and easy cleaning. Made from BPA-free plastic and 304 stainless steel, this orange juice maker ensures high hygiene standards and long-lasting durability. Includes 2 pulp filters for smooth, delicious juice every time. Operating at just 73 decibels, this fruit juicer machine is as quiet as an office, allowing for peaceful juicing. The drip stop spout and 500 ml container prevent messes, making it reliable for daily use. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Steamer. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle-cum-cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Electric Kettle. The kettle is made from premium food-grade silicone that ensures your drinks are free from harmful substances. Compact and lightweight, our kettle easily fits in your bag, making it ideal for days out with the kids, work, or travel. Prepare your favorite hot beverages within 5 minutes, saving you precious time in your busy day. Just unfold, fill with water, plug into a socket, and switch it on. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Sleek, lightweight kettle fits neatly into your bag and provides hot beverages or meals anytime, anywhere. It's the perfect ally for the super mom that you are. Product link is given in the 6th link. 7. Grill. Sandwich maker lets you adjust the slope to control the amount of oil used in your dishes, promoting healthier cooking by draining excess oil. Enjoy almost oil-free cooking with the grill without compromising on taste. Prepare healthy and delicious dishes in the comfort of your home. This mini appliance offers versatile cooking options, allowing you to grill, toast and roast a variety of delicious dishes with ease. Perfect for aloo tikkis, paneer tikka, pizza, panini and simultaneous grilling of patties and buns. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Electric dosa maker. Prepare a variety of dosa, chilla, pancakes, crepes, parantha, uttapam, omelets and many more dishes with this dosa maker having cooking area of 30 centimeters. Adjustable temperature control to choose different levels of heat settings as per the requirement. Prepare fresh and hygienic dosas, chilla, paratha, omelette and many more dishes. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Coffee maker. This smart nozzle inside the jug circulates the inflowing coffee evenly through the jug for an optimal and consistent aroma, from the first to the last cup. Automatic shut off. 30 minutes after brewing your coffee, the coffee maker switches off automatically for energy saving and safety. The drip stop allows you to pour a cup of coffee before the full brewing cycle is finished. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Egg boiler. Customize your eggs to your preference with precise water measurements. Soft boil, fill water up to 25 ml. Medium boil, fill water up to 50 ml. Hard boil, fill water up to 75 ml. Automatically switches off when eggs are boiled, with an LED light to signal when cooking is complete. Includes a measuring cup for accurate water levels and a built-in pin to pierce eggs before boiling, preventing cracks. Detachable parts make cleaning quick and hassle-free with a sponge and mild detergent. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Roti maker. Perfect for making round, fluffy chapatis, tortillas, naans, rotis or parathas. It has a non-stick coating on the plates, making it easy to clean and removing any stuck food. The roti maker comes with a free roti warmer, which helps keep your chapatis warm and crispy. The warmer has a temperature control knob, so you can adjust it to your liking. The roti maker has a removable handle, making it easy to carry and stow. The handle also provides a comfortable grip while making chapatis. The roti maker has non-stick coating plates, which make it easy to roll out the chapati dough. The plates are also durable and can withstand high temperatures. Product link is given in the 11th link.